Hi luminaries, in this video we are going to make adjustable sliding knots for your friendship bracelets. So these sliding knots are really handy because you could make your friendship bracelet removable and adjustable, making it great for gifts and then for yourself as well. So you can see here, you just pull. I only used a single knot here. This one has two, but I think a single one is actually sufficient. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to demonstrate with a piece of rope because it's actually just easier to see. I'll leave this one off to the side so you can envision it a little bit. Okay, so what you're going to do is so you have your bracelet, your finished friendship bracelet, and you're going to cross the two tails over, like so. One tail is on top and the other one is on the bottom. See how this one is on the bottom? You're going to take the one on the bottom, and from back to front, you're going to make two loops like so. Okay. See, and now you have two loops right here, and then you have the end of the tail. And then all you do is slide that tail through the two loops and then pull tight to secure. And then you can adjust it, make it big and small, big and small. You could actually put a knot at the end of the tail here to act as a stopper as well. Enjoy, guys!